friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Radio. Right now, I'm going to show how you can change your Apple ID password on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you are concerned about your weak Apple ID password or wish to create a strong password to ward off hacking or unauthorized access, you would be glad to know that iOS offers a pretty easy way to change passwords on iPhone or iPad. That said, let me show you how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. To begin with, steps launch Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on your profile and select Password and Security. Next, tap on Change Password. After that, you have to enter your current password or device passcode. Then enter a new password and confirm the new password. Next up, tap on Change Password. Then you have to sign in with your new Apple ID password to access Apple features and services. That's all there is to it. So that's the way you can change your Apple ID password on your iPhone or iPad. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.